Good afternoon, everyone. Out exploring a new area. We have a slaty schist here and multiple quartz veins, quartz stringers running all throughout. So we're gonna take a quick look around and see if we can see anything that's worth sampling. There's a lot of oxidization. It's a high gold bearing area, so we'll see what we can find. Got quite an extensive outcrop here. About 20 meters of decently oxidized rock that has got intrusive quartz veins. So we've been looking at some of this quartz here in the slaty schists, and there's quite a few vugs in there. So looking at it under a jeweler's loupe, you can tell that there is a presence of some kind of iron mineral, iron oxide, and you can see magnetite. So what often comes with magnetite is gold. So we're going to pull a sample from across this entire span here. A bunch of oxidized, vuggy quartz. We want to see if we got any free gold in there. Just floating around. So you can see little bits of iron under the jeweler's loupe and little specks, but it just may be too small to see with the jeweler's loupe. We have another exposure here of slaty schists, and you have oxidized patches you can see all over, and right by those oxidized patches you have lots of quartz, lots of vuggy quartz. You can see all the white, so we're going to go up there, take a little look, and see what we can find, see if there's anything interesting. I don't know if you can see all those little teeny specks in there. You got iron pyrite running with gold all in there. So what we're going to do is we're going to send some samples in, but we'll mark in the video which ones we're going to send, because we are going to collect a lot of samples here. A little close-up of some of the veins here. So occasional bits of mineralization, but not a whole lot. Section 2 here of that small little quarry. More quartz veins. Look at all the quartz in there. So you got vugs where mineral used to be, leached out by mechanical weathering and chemical weathering. A few more samples here. You can see minor amounts of sulfides all throughout. More in here. This one has some free gold in it, you can see under jeweler's loupe. You got more quartz here, and this stuff looks like there's a bit of free mill gold in it too under the jeweler's loupe. Not very much, and it's really difficult to see because of how little there is. And again, more here. Okay, so we made it back to the creek that we saw in the last video. Loads of quartz here. Slate, schist. And we just pulled our first pan. We got 3 bags, so we're going to do all 3. Find a spot with some water. We're going to actually pan this out. So I'm definitely seeing some visible gold in some of these. Most of it's just visible under the jeweler's loop, but we'll see. Alright, so we got our pan here. We found lots of sulfides, a little bit of fine gold in the last one. We're a couple hundred meters up above that last spot, just around a bend. So we'll see if this has anything in here. Seeing more sulfides there, for sure. Iron pyrite. So it seems like a lot of the iron pyrite is traveling with the gold in the quartz veins on this property. Yeah, would you look at that? Oh, look at how much pyrite is in there. Crazy. It's got to be like a pound of just solid iron pyrite. See if I can pan a little bit off. Down a bit finer. Okay. Yeah, look at all that. Whoa, big hunks of it too. Whoa, yeah. You have gold. Look at that. Yeah, look at all that. So I know there's gold in this one, and I know there is sulfides, primarily iron pyrite, because I actually saw it in the bag when we collected the sample. So we did another pan just after that last one. Similar result, we got about 10 colors and a bunch of chunks of iron pyrite, and what that tells me is a lot of the pyrite and gold is coarse, so we're fairly close to the source. We'll definitely have to do some crevicing on Bedrock soon here. Look at that. Hunk of pyrite on quartz. Big hunks of pyrite. Look at all the sulfides here. you just pick it up. That's unreal. I've never had so many sulfides in a single pan before. Look at that. That's pretty much solid. I'm going to pan a bunch of these off and see if we can get down any gold. We'll see if we can find any quick samples here before we leave for the night. It's starting to get dark out, so see if we can find any hunks with pyrite or gold sticking on them. A lot of hunks in here. Alright, let's go down to that. Oh, look at the gold. Look at that. All that gold. Not bad. Got a whole bunch more here. I'd say you got easily 50 colors in there. More there, more there. Just a little bit. You can see, there you go, visible sulfides and quartz, but I don't see any indication of any gold. Maybe very, very, very small. But I have no doubt in my mind that the two are associated. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and we gotta get out of here. It's late, so see you guys next time.